Hi there, how are you today? I have something very excited because for the first time ever I will be teaching piano improvisation lessons. So I've personally been playing piano since I was about 10 years old, and because of circumstances and various learning disorders I didn't go to music school, I didn't learn to read notes, and I didn't follow piano lessons. So I'm completely self-taught. And this gives me a quite unique perspective on harmony, on how to create music with the piano from your soul, from your heart. And so whether you've been trained as a classical pianist and you did your solfège and learning the notes, or you have never touched the piano but you maybe have an old keyboard in the attic or a piano that you inherited from your grandmother. Whatever the case, if you feel like this instrument calls you, and if you feel like you want to just start from a place that is completely intuitive, I will be teaching you about natural harmonics, what makes sense to play, why harmony is created in pop music, in classical music the way we know it today. And go right back to the basics with 2 notes, 3 notes, see how these sounds. Learn how you can very easily with simple exercises start your improvisation practice. And then if you want to use your voice to accompany yourself with authentic singing, or just want to have that lovely feeling of creating melodies while you accompany yourself with some chords here. It's so awesome. I'm sure we're going to have a blast with these live teachings. It's all coming for the Vortex members. So if you're already in the Vortex, that's great. See you soon. If you haven't yet joined the Vortex, it's an awesome membership community by Songdance, whereby we give live teachings on piano, but on a whole range of other topics as well. Live creations, live streams with mantra singing. It's really, really awesome. So see you on the inside.